First, I want to thank everybody that's come to my channel, that subscribe, that like the videos, and that just stay updated with the content that I post. Today, we're going to talk about drop shipping. Now, one thing I want to say about drop shipping, I think drop shipping is cool and everything, but I've been doing drop shipping way before drop shipping had a name. Like I've said on different posts or whatever, like I've been doing marketing for over 10 years, okay? There's different things now that has a name and they put a name to it. So as for me, like old marketers that have been doing it for a long time, we kind of got to stay updated with every single thing. I've never actually wanted to put myself publicly, but because now I got this going on, might as well go ahead and start doing it. So today we're going to talk about what is drop shipping, why you should need to stop listening to people who telling you about drop shipping and listen to people who have been doing it before it had its name. Okay, stay tuned. All right, now first off, drop shipping. Drop shipping comes from the root word drop ship, which means move goods from the manufacturer to the retailer without going through the usual distribution channel. Okay, now for me to just put it necessarily in words, you're selling someone else's product that came straight from the manufacturer and you doing a D2C, a direct to consumer, by selling it through whatever channel that you use. It could be whatever multi-channel that you use without going through the usual distribution channels with whatever the brand is usually selling it from. Okay, so it's pretty much like this. There's a lot of different people that teach you how to do different things as far as selling. Maybe get like a one product Shopify page or whatever, or a lot of different things like that. Here's my issue with this right here. My issue, it's not the fact of Shopify. I don't have a problem with Shopify. Shopify is so simple. You can make a page in literally 48 hours. I literally made pages in like, well, I said 48 hours. I meant 48 hours. So I meant to say, I made a page before in like 2 hours at tops. Now, other than just necessarily having Shopify, there's a lot of different platforms that you can use so you can actually build whatever website that you want to use. That website is your platform. Now, I'm gonna try to say everything directly and kind of short or whatever, because like a lot of my videos be pretty long. I be trying to make it kind of go less longer, and like right now I'm still lingering or whatever. But okay, first off, that is okay. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. But here's the issue that I see with a lot of other drop shippers. A lot of other drop shippers want to tell you, well, now you need to go to Facebook advertisement and you need to find something that's trending, that's selling, and then jump to the Facebook advertisements and to go sell, you know what I'm saying? Go put money and to make money. That's my issue, okay? All right, here's the thing. Here's my issue with so many marketers. I feel like marketers are too much on the fact that they don't realize some people do not have the money or the means to actually go put the money into advertisement to make money for it. Because at the same time, literally, you are taking a risk. I can sit there, because after this video, I'm gonna do a whole nother video that's actually gonna go into advertisement. It's actually gonna be the first video I'm gonna put on the channel. But I want to actually demonstrate a little bit. Just because you do an example or follow example for someone else's ad that made them thousands and thousands of dollars doesn't mean it's gonna work for you. I'm just giving you facts. You are talking to someone who have did drop shipping before drop shipping had a name. Way before there was like companies that was doing drop shipping, like literally, okay? Now, back then, because like now I can bring it way back. Back then, before drop shipping had a name, there was like different places where you can get to that was much cheaper than it is right now. Now, because of drop shipping, some of the prices that you would get like on AliExpress and all the other different places that was lower back then, they have raised, okay? And different places like eBay, other than being more higher, it has gotten cheaper. So the margin for you to make money doing drop shipping is way slimmer than what it used to be. Okay, I've heard different marketers saying drop shipping is dead. It's not necessarily dead. It's just all about how you do it. Now today, I'm gonna talk to you about different ways how you can make money other than using the normal things that other marketers sit there and try to tell you. Because the first thing, like I say, here's my problem. They try to tell you to spend money to make money. I'm going to tell you, before you put any money in advertisement, make money from the product. Okay? Like, literally stop listening to what people saying and literally think about it logically. Do you want to necessarily spend money when you already just pay this money for the Shopify page and then spending money on advertisement on a product that you don't necessarily even know that's going to be successful? Do you have $300 that you can just waste if it actually doesn't sell? Everybody don't. Now, I made a blog post, or really more like a vlog, about all the different places that I have used to sell things. No matter if it's clothes, no matter if it's antiques, no matter what it is. And I literally have put it up. It's already on the page. It's like 20 to 40 different places where you can go sell. And I talk about a lot of different things. Today, I'm going to talk about, I'm gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna show you different things that I will suggest you to do, and I'm gonna have one product that I'm finna give you an example of, and it's right here. Okay, I'm finna tell you how you can make money selling this right here, right? Selling this. I'm giving you a real product. I'm gonna teach you how you can make money selling this right here. So stay tuned, and we finna jump into the computer. Now, I just got my computer open. Okay, this is what I want to do. All right, a lot of people, they necessarily depend on AliExpress. Now, as far as if you have your own website, you can use AliExpress. You know, just, you know what I'm saying, you can talk about the shipping, like your time that you ship, and just put down the website on places like that I've had described on other different places like eBay or like Poshmark or other different places, whatever. You have to make sure that you put on there, and also you will not get as many sales as that you would like, because of the fact that you get it from this place or whatever, and it's going to actually take time. So as a marketer, what we used to do, you know what I'm saying, to make millions of dollars without even have to do that, or hundreds of thousands of dollars, whatever you want to do it. How much money depends on how much work you put into it. I'm going to tell you something that's right now that you can actually do. And like I said, with this right here, you do not need to have to go to AliExpress. There are city trends, you know what I'm saying, where like places where you can actually just go and get like clothes like really cheap, and you can get them like on the cents or whatever. Like I Hensley got a coat that I just did. I literally just sold some Uggs to like Kim or whatever for $100. I literally just got them for $35. Okay, I'm gonna tell you about things that you can actually do. Listen to someone who actually been doing dropshipping before dropshipping had a name. That's the difference. Okay, right now I'm finna talk to you about this watch and how you can make money from it. This watch right here was bought for $250, right? It was a gift, and I was like, you know what? Look, you know, I want to look into it or whatever. So this is what I came up with, right? Okay. Now, as far as this watch, this is high. I'm finna go look at it. I'm just gonna type in Fitbit. This right here, a Fitbit Ionic watch, right? Okay, I'm gonna type it in. Here's one. It's $216.95. That one pre-owned. Oh, let me make sure I go to buy now. That's actually an auction or whatever. I want to make sure we actually go to the ones that actually selling right now. Okay. Okay. This right here. This is new. Okay, that's like 160 or whatever. That's actually a pretty good listing. It's a new listing. They're doing it for 160. This one here is 205, 299, 269. That's 175 plus tax, whatever. This one pre-owned. I'm really looking at the ones that's new. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's one pre-owned. That's 149. Okay, that's like the cheapest one I've seen or whatever. That was pre-owned or whatever. That's cool. That's a nice price as well. All right. Okay, let me just type in new. Get over here, make sure I get new. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna talk about different things that's regarding this. I'm gonna go to the lowest price and shipping, lowest first. Okay, I want to see what the lowest price is. Okay, it's too low. All right, the lowest price is the one that's new. I see one that's 175, and it's 12.73 for shipping, right? Okay. Other ones 195, those were like 198. So they selling for like, you know, you can make some profit like at 170 or whatever. Okay, cool. Now, here's the thing about this right here. Now, with this watch right here, with this watch comes unattached. Okay? Right? Stay along with me. Now I'm finna type in Fitbit Ionic Pebble. Yes. Fitbit by Ionic Pebble. Right? Before the page had changed, you seen that there was these little things right here for like $350. These are the silicone watch bands. You get any color that you want, right? $359. You can get a charger around about the same price, right? That's like less than $10. These are more luxury ones. You can get these right here. All these are here from $429 to $11.99. This one here is like $8.99, right? Stay along with me. This right here is brand new. A brand new Pebble right here. It's $90. They have 14 already sold, right? They are selling these. Okay? This one here is new. This is a Versa. New, still in the case. $77.85. They trading at $89.99. This one here is $84.99. It's a Versa. Okay? Now, real quick, like, because obviously you can go on this right here. You can go to the lowest price, whatever. I'm just going to use the top one, right? I'm just going to say 90 because I found something that was like 80, 70. I bought them for cheaper than it, right? Okay, you can buy these all day. This one here said 14 sold. So that means of this Pebble right here, they have already sold 14 of them. I'm finna click on it and I'm finna see how many do they already have. Do they have left, or they just got a whole shipment of them? Okay. And then we actually finna go over some different things. I'm gonna tell you what other marketers, other dropshippers are not doing live to actually talk to you about. Real stuff. Okay, this one here got 2 available. So most likely there's more on other different ones. Okay. Now, anyway, I'm just gonna say this one right here. I'm not even gonna try to find cheaper one over whatever. As you see in the news, the new ones that was going for like 190, right? Okay. Now, I can get this Pebble, get the band, not only the band but the charger. Cheap, right? We want the Fitbit Ionic charger. So cheap. This one here, the first one here that came to mind right here. $454. First one that came on the page, $454. $454 plus I'm just gonna say $4. First of all, I'm just gonna say 5 and 5. Okay, that's $8.99 plus $10. That's $100, right? The new ones are selling for $189, right? Even if I put up for $150 for a pre-owned, right? But they all were new, because this one new, the other one new. You put it together, you can literally sell it, put it, go to the post office, or you know what I'm saying, get like the little brown package with the little cushion in there, put them all together for less than $100 and go make a $80 to $90 commission per watch. Okay, I want to thank y'all for watching the whole entire video. Make sure you continue to the part 2. And if you have liked everything so far, just make sure you hit the subscribe button. I should have links right over here, so you can just follow me any platform, no matter Facebook, Twitter, and every other platform. Just make sure you stay tuned with everything that's going on with Tunu. All right, to the next episode.